everybody! Today I would like to read to you the story called The Something Noise, story by John Parker. When Barney went to bed, Dad read him a story. When Dad finished the story, he said goodnight. "You can turn off the lights, Dad," said Barney, "but leave the door open." Dad turned off the light, but he forgot to leave the door open. Barney's bedroom had no light from the hallway because Dad had shut the door. It was dark, very dark. Barney felt scared in the dark. He'd like to see the light from the hallway. It made him feel safer. "I'll call Dad back," thought Barney. He stood up on his bed. "Dad, you forgot to leave the door open." Barney decided to get up and open the door himself. He thought there could be monsters under the bed. Barney decided to stay in bed. Then he heard a tiny noise from the wardrobe. Scratch. Barney heard it again. Noises don't happen on their own, thought Barney. Maybe something must be making that noise. Something inside my wardrobe. Something inside my room. It could be a ghost, white and floppy. The ghost might spring out and say, "Ooh." Barney felt scared. It could be a pirate with a big black beard. Pirate might spring out and say, "Ha!" Barney felt very scared. It could be a snake with a long red tongue. The snake might spring out and say, "Hiss!" Barney felt very, very scared. Then Barney heard another noise from the wardrobe. Meow! He didn't feel scared. The something making the noise was only his cat. Barney got out of the bed and opened the wardrobe door. "Don't be scared," he told Sooty. "You can come to bed with me."
Cảm ơn các bạn đã xem video của mình. Sau mỗi câu chuyện các bạn nhớ học thuộc các từ vựng nhé. Các bạn nhớ like, subscribe và nhấn chuông để nhận được thông báo với những bài học mới nhất của mình nhé. Bye bye!